Hello friends, welcome back to JavaScript tutorial. Last day we discussed about the analyze function. So now I am going to discuss about what is the arrow function, right? So what is arrow function? The name of that function is arrow function, or you can say that as a fat arrow, right? So this is the JavaScript function. You can say that this is the shortcut way to write a function. So there is some syntax, and by using that syntax you can do the function creation easily, right? So this was actually introduced in ES6, right? So I already discussed when we covered the ES6 tutorial, and in this type of function everything remains the same except we don't need the function keyword. Means suppose if I want to create a new function, so let's say the function and function, and I'm just going to create an anonymous function. So anonymous function, we know that anonymous function will have no name, and simply just you can write simply var data, okay, and you need to call this function explicitly. Okay, so data is here, and simply just write console.log and simply write hi, okay, and you are getting the output. Or you can do something like that, means this, okay. So I just removing that part. So this is one kind of function declaration. This is the anonymous function, and here I just creating a normal function, and this is the function. So function keyword and the name of the function, and simply if you refresh you will get hi. Means this is another type of function creation. This is the common type of function creation. This was the anonymous type of function creation. Now if I going to do the same thing with the arrow function, means how we can do this. So simply just write here var and data, okay, and simply just write equal, and this is the function creation, okay. So if you just simply write these things, still it will treat like a function, okay. And this actually, this and this is the arrow. So we need to write this arrow so that we'll get the arrow function, okay. So simply write console log hi inside this, means this is actually the function body part, okay. So this is the function body, just like we have in all case, this is the function body. So this will work, and simply just call it explicitly, so it will work, okay. So refresh this, you will get still hi. This actually calling the arrow function. This type of function is arrow function, okay. So if you are using only single statement, you don't need to write these things also. Means simply just write data and this arrow function syntax, and after that simply write this hello or hi, okay. So simply write hello, so it will work hello, right. So this is the arrow function. Now the next thing is, if I want to create a self executing arrow function, means we don't need to write or don't need to call this function explicitly. How we can do this? Simply in the same way we already discussed. So simply just call this into another block, and here just write this another block, and just function, okay. And if you just write here, it will work as a hello, okay. So I just make it H as a capital so that you can understand this is changing, okay. So this is the hello. Now if you have some function blocks, so inside the function blocks, if you want to write something, so simply just write in this way. Means just clear this, and you can understand clearly. So this is the function body things. You can write here anything. So I just write here function hello hello hello, okay. So all will print. Unexpected identifier sorry, actually I printed all the things, but I have not used the semicolon here, okay. Now just refresh this, you will get the hello 4 times, okay. So this is the arrow function. Now the thing is, if I want to pass some data to the arrow function, so how can I do this? Simply just do the previous thing. So here I just going to write something, suppose let sum. Okay, let sum equal to the function argument. So this is the function. I just passing the function, that is the num1 and num2, sorry, passing the function argument num1 and num2, and I just going to print the output. Means I just write the sum is dollar num1 plus num2, and just call that. So sum, and here I want to pass something, so 45, 55 and 54. Okay, no problem. Then refresh, you are getting 19. So in this way we can call the arrow function. We can call arrow function, we can pass the arrow function, we can pass parameter to the arrow function. So this is simple concept, small concept and important concept. If you have any queries about this arrow function, you can comment me, and next day we are going to discuss about the callback function. This is the another important things and you will frequently use that. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video, and thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.